Hello and welcome to Sphytech Screencast. Today we'll be looking at how to create a group data analysis report. This is a very powerful feature of version 5 and allows fitness professionals to create highly sophisticated and personalized reports very quickly for companies that they're working for based around a sample of subject data. You do need to have subscribed to the data analysis module, so I'll just go there and click on the group reporting link, and that will take us to the particular area that deals with group data analysis. There's one report already within this test system. If I click on the information icon here, that will show you the areas that the subject data is made up of, plus some additional information. This particular feature is what makes the report very easy to tailor and customize. You have a number of different areas that you can put your own information into, and once you've done that, that information appears throughout the report in the right places. So it makes the compilation of a very sophisticated and personalized report a very quick and easy process, and they look great as well. So let's create a new report to show you how it works. You have a number of filters that you can apply. By far the most popular is the assessment dates, and if you hover over the little information icon, it gives you information on these. I'll click on the next button and I'll set a period of a year. So we're going to report over a period of a year. It's also possible to filter out anybody who hasn't done a physical assessment. As you know, version 5 reports in lots of different areas, from lifestyle, medical through physical assessments. We'll leave that blank because I don't have a lot of information in this test system, and we'll select the latest assessment option. There's information as you move through the wizard to explain exactly what's happening. Click on the next button and then the next, and finally we get to this screen here which gives you a fairly detailed breakdown of the data that's going to get reported on. Click on the next button and then we have the grid where we can cherry pick which areas we want reported. So basically the routine works out via the filter which subjects and data fit that filter, and then based on that display these particular dynamic options. So I'm just going to pause this whilst I just go through and select some areas to report on. Okay, I've done that, and generally I've selected the head count and pie chart options. You can only have one chart, and you can have a choice of either head count or raw stats. In some areas, some of the tests, some of the options are not applicable. I'll click on the next button and then I shall put in some information here, and I'm going to store this and then click on the next button. That will save the report and then generate it on the fly to PDF. And depending on the number of subjects that you've selected and the options, it could take up to 1 or 2 minutes to generate. Hopefully this won't take too long, and in fact it's generated already. And I'll just scroll down and you can see there that we've got our graphs. We generate these through the Google Chart API, and I've got my head count information. And it's really as simple as that. So what I'll do now is before I close this down, it's obviously rendered in PDF format, so you can save it to your local machine or you can email it on if you want to as well. So I'll close that. There's our test report. I could then go in to the customization area and then add my information. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just paste a little bit of lorem ipsum in there, and then I'll update the custom text. That's under detailed analysis, and then I'll just run that report again and we should see our custom text within the system. And there it is. And obviously you can do it for those other areas. If you don't put any information in, then it won't be displayed. And that's all there is to creating a very sophisticated group data analysis report. Thank you for watching.